Welcome everyone. Today we're going to take the easy way. Bubba burgers and fries in this lovely Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air oven. To start making these Bubba burgers, I think what we're going to do is the function, we're going to choose, air fry. We're going to keep it on 390 just to see what happens. And we're going to set it for 25 minutes. Let's do it up, for easy math for me, let's just do it at 30 minutes. So what we're going to do is I got crinkle cut array of fries. We have Bubba burgers. I don't think I've ever had a Bubba burger in my life. So this should be interesting. And yeah, they're just frozen. Wow, look at the freezer burn. So we're going to take some burgers out. And we get icicles all over the place. I just bought these too. You know something? We're going to take some fries and throw it right in. We're going to try cooking these at the same time. Because I did this a while back, but I can't remember how I did it. Because, of course, I didn't keep a kitchen notebook. So that's about, that's enough fries for 2 people right there. Alright, we're preheated. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to have this lovely drip tray down here. And I think we're going to put this on 3. Is that 3? Yeah, that's 3 right there. And close her up. I am going to jump the time back up to 30 minutes. So just about, well, 14 minutes has gone by. Let's take a look-see at this. And if you want to, you might have a little smoking from this dripping down in this pan. You can add like a little bit of water to that. I'm just going to take the fries. We're just going to move them about just a bit. And the burgers are coming along fine. Close it back up. Let it finish cooking. Oh, it just dripped everywhere. Ugh! Mess. Let's wipe that. There we go. Whoopsies. So they've been cooking for 25 minutes, 26 minutes. Let's open her up. Do you want to do a quick temp of the burger? Alright, it's only 144, 145. We want these hamburgers 165 because A, I didn't grind the meat and, well, yeah. Let me see if I can find a flipper here. Let me see if I can do this correctly compared to last time. The fries look like they're pretty much done, so the burgers have to cook longer. I am just going to go ahead and flip them because you don't have to flip, but I'm just choosing to flip. Fries look done. I'm going to steal one. Push this back in. So what I'm going to do is I am going to tack on 5 more minutes. So it might bring the time up to 35. Because I didn't grind this meat myself, and it didn't come from my butcher, so I will cook these hamburgers to 165 degrees. The burgers are not done, but I'm assuming these fries are. I don't want the fries to be overdone. There's a lot of grease in there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the fries. I just want to be completely honest with you. I did tack on 2 more minutes just to keep it going, so to speak. I don't want it to... I'm going to take the buns out because I don't want the buns overcooked. There we go. A couple more minutes on the cheese. Well, not a couple more minutes. Probably like 30 seconds on the cheese and we'll pull it. All right, we're going to say it's done. Cheese is melted. So in 30 minutes, you can have burgers and fries. Frozen burgers and fries. These are from Frozen. Look at that. Melty cheese. Bubba burger and fries in the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air oven. Just going to give it a quick bite. It's my first Bubba burger. They're okay. Very compressed. I'm not knocking them. I'm just saying, it's just my first impressions. It's not bad. I prefer my own burgers. But it's pretty good. It's pretty good. And it's quick. I wouldn't say quick. The grill is much quicker. But if you only have the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air oven, you can have frozen, the crinkle cut array of fries, and Bubba burgers. 30 minutes. You'll have food. Yes. And you can probably make a lot more in there. I didn't want to make a whole bunch. But yeah. Thanks for watching. I I can't like say Bubba burgers, but quick Bubba burgers and fries in the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe. Hit that notifications button. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, everybody. And now I gotta clean this. Ugh.